everyone, Becki-licious here. Happy 4th of July. And today we are making a full 4th of July barbecue dinner. Juicy ribeye steaks, baked potato and asparagus, all cooked right on the barbecue. But you better stick around for afterwards because I'm going to show you my sparkle. Look at this beautiful 4th of July dinner. All right, first we got to get our baked potatoes put on the barbecue. All right, let's get those in there and get them a-cooking. So my baked potatoes have been on the barbecue for over an hour. I just moved them up to the top rack because now we are going to deal with our steaks. And I've got these amazing looking ribeyes. So we're going to get them seasoned up. Of course, we always use our Montreal steak seasoning. So let's get these seasoned up real nicely on both sides, of course. All right, let's get these out on the grill. These are going to be absolutely amazing. Just throw these right on there in the center. All right, there we go. All right, time to flip our steaks. Oh, God, these are looking divine. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Oh yeah. It's coming along nicely. Let's go get our asparagus prepped. All right, our asparagus is all ready to go. I've already snapped the ends off. We're just going to get them laid on our little tray that's going to go out on the barbecue grill. All right, let's get our asparagus put on the grill. Already moved the steaks over. These are going to go right on here. We are going to baste them up with some butter. So we want all the flavors. Yummy, yummy, yummy. And then our trusty mustache. There we go. All right. Okay, everything's off the grill. It's time to plate up because it's dinner time. All right, before we eat dinner, do not forget to like and subscribe and definitely share with your friends and click on the link me for some other fun stuff. Now we get to enjoy. Like I said, we are celebrating 250 years. Got to do it with a steak, so come on. Let's give it a shot because I am starving. Oh my gosh, it's like melting your mouth. Nothing better than a barbecue, huh? Gotta love it. Weather was perfect. I had plenty of help. And you guys joined me, so I appreciate it very much. So hopefully I'll see you guys next time, okay? Bye. Happy 4th of July. Happy 250th America. Yay!